Let us today understand how to do the direct lessons effectively. So, direct lessons are a very good way of teaching the 7 habit concepts and principles directly to students. So, for that, you need to use the teacher's guide and the student's guide very effectively. In the teacher's guide, you have a very systematic way of how to do the lessons. So, first thing which you need to understand is how the lessons are structured. So, let us open and look at the index page. You can see all the lessons are beautifully structured in the index page. The name of the page is what is inside. Now, grade kindergarten to grade 6 is slightly different structuring. Grade 7, 8, 9 is a different way of structuring. If you see from kindergarten to grade 6, the lessons are categorized into 4 categories. Creating a leadership classroom, leading self, leading others, and habit 7 and beyond. And as you can see, creating a leadership classroom is all about creating a leadership environment in the class, making the children understand what is leadership, what is a habit, how to create a 7 habits tree, how to create an emotional bank account chart in the class, how to create a mission statement. So each lesson can be finished easily in an activity form along with lessons, and you can take initial 20 days to finish these lessons, every day 10 minutes. This having completed, you can then move to the first part of the lessons, which is leading self. This has habit 1, 2 and 3. Be proactive, begin with the end in mind, and put first things first. Under every habit, there are 5 to 6 lessons. Then comes leading others. This is habit 4, 5 and 6. Again, under every habit, you have around 5 to 6 lessons. And the last part is habit 7 and beyond. This has around 4 units from habit 7, and the rest of the lessons are based on other soft skills. Now, let us take a lesson from grade 2 and understand how it is structured. So now, every lesson given in the teacher's guide, I'm talking about this book, the teacher's guide, corresponds to the student book. So any page in the student book, if you just open, it is mapped to the teacher's guide. Now I have chosen lesson Circle of Control from habit 1. I would want you all to turn to page number 54. So you can see the name of the lesson is on the top. It is the key concept of habit 1, be proactive. Circle of Control. Now the first paragraph tells us the meaning and the content of this particular lesson. You write it in the class and share it with the children. Okay, what is circle of control? It is better to focus on your circle of control. These things you share. Then you start the class with an activity. You take a circle of control and a circle of concern diagram and make the children do this activity. Take 3 to 4 minutes. Yes, it will get everybody excited. Then you start delivering the lesson. You will need not more than 10 minutes to do it. And at the end of this particular page number 54, you have to tell them a story from your life where you focused on your circle of control. Any small story you can say. It was raining, I wanted to share time with my friends. So rather than complaining, we decided to have an online talk. Something like that. You make a story and you share it. And then you come to the main part, which is on page number 57, which is called as formative assessment. Formative assessment will help you understand whether the children have understood the lesson or not. Then there is something called as differentiation options. You can skip this part. And I would want you all to move to the last part, which is take it home. It's a message which you must compulsorily send to the parents or the family after finishing every lesson. Please do not skip this part. It will help you to build the family connection. Yes? So technically speaking, you can actually finish a lesson very effectively within 35 minutes if you are well prepared.